Hi, in this video, I am going to extract file name from the path, only path. Now, let's start. I can see how I can get the file name. First, need to string. We have already path, and in path, file name is a temp.jpg. I extract only temp.jpg. Now, using some string, I get the file name, last index. I get the last index of the forward slash and it is substring from next position. For that, I add here +1 and add one SOP and print out file name. File name is now run this program. Now file name is temp.jpg. So this way we can get the file name from the path.